Introducing the Titan Pro Omega 3D. The Omega 3D comes with an auto body scan at the beginning of every massage to map out the dimensions of the user. The zero gravity position is the perfect position to enjoy a massage. When reclining, this chair only needs to be 1 inch from the wall as it comes out first and then up. The Omega 3D comes equipped with 8 different preset massage programs and 6 different massage techniques to choose from. This chair offers a convenient side controller on the right side of the panel with a USB port. The SL roller system massages the neck area. It continues down to the lower back and then proceeds to massage the glutes and the upper hamstring. The 3D rollers in the Omega are fully adjustable in both manual and auto modes, mimicking the feeling of human hands as it massages you. This chair also comes with a full body air massage to complement the calf and foot rollers on the bottom of the feet. This chair has an extendable footrest, a new mood in your home.